How to start a streak on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can start a Snapchat streak, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now before we get on to understand how to start a Snapchat streak, you have to understand what is a Snapchat streak. So basically, when you open up your Snapchat app and then you constantly exchange snaps with somebody, if there is a specific number right next to the snap streak, it is called your snap streak. Now currently I don't have any, but your snap streak is going to look like a fire emoji. Snap streak basically means the number of consecutive days that you have exchanged snaps with each other without missing a single streak. So if they send you a snap, you send them snap in return, and if they send it back again you send it back. It was the number of consecutive days that you constantly send snaps without sending a chat, without messing things up. That is basically how you do it, and that is actually called snap streak. So if you want to actually constantly increase your snap streak, just keep exchanging snaps with the other person. When they send you, just send them back in return. Hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.